I would become a singer, you know? Never, never. My grandmother wanted me to be a hula dancer. I ended up singing, cause more money. Just telling you, of course. Okay, here's a song that my friend Feli Gabriel had recorded years ago, and I'm doing this in her honor. Oh, I got some more old songs of that era, let me tell you.